up, beauty bosses? Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted just to jump on really quick and talk about a new purchase that I am trying out for the first time, and I'm very excited. I actually went to Sephora today and I was looking for a new eyebrow pencil. Now, I normally use Anastasia's brow pencils, and I find that the issue with it is sometimes it feels like it's really kind of dry, like it's not creamy. It's like it doesn't feel like it goes on very smoothly, and I feel like after a certain amount of time of putting it on, it starts to kind of look chalky and it doesn't give me like a defined brow. So went in there today, asked for some suggestions, and I came out with the Urban Decay. It's called the Brow Blade. Now, one thing that I liked about this is it has two sides. So one side is kind of like a liquid eyeliner side, and the other side is like a pencil. So you kind of get the best of both worlds under one pen. And when the girl was showing me how it worked, I kind of was sold because she just showed me the strokes go on your brows. So this is what it looks like outside of the package. Now it does have the pencil side here that you can kind of see. And then it also has this side that is like liquid eyeliner. So what I'm figuring is you use the pencil side to kind of go around the line of your brow, and then you use the liquid side to go in and define those strokes. So we all want like Instagram brows, right? Like we all want the ones that look like really defined, and like every stroke of hair is accounted for. Like you can see it on your pictures. It's light here and then faded dark here, ombre, whatever you will. So think this will be able to give us what we're looking for. Now, this color that I chose is the dark drapes. It is a darker brown since my eyebrows are jet black. So I'm ready to get into it, and let's see. So what I'm going to start with is the pencil side. So it's very thin, if you guys can see that. And what I'm going to do is just lightly outline my brow. So I'm just going to go at the base of my brow and just go across. So if you see now, it has that line. And for me, making a line first lets me kind of know my guidelines, and then I go in and fill in. So I'm going to go and do the other side. Easy, quick, simple. Now, even though this is more pencil and not liquid, it does go very smoothly. Like it's no force. It's light enough to where it doesn't look like a square on your eye, which I really like. So now we're gonna go in and take the little pen side, and we're just going to lightly stroke. And wow, like you guys can see, I'm just barely touching it and it's coloring it in. Like, wow. So it is just barely, like I'm literally just kind of going at the strokes of the brow and just going in to kind of fill in, because I want this side to be a little darker. Let me say, guys, that it's like catching every hair. Like it's like catching every hair. Like every hair is being caught by this pen because it is more liquidy. So if that's even a word, it's more like liquid. And so it's catching the hair and it's catching it in the stroke. So it's not too harsh. I can definitely see how you could get heavy-handed with this and end up too dark, but I can also see how it'd be easy to keep it pretty light too. I actually really like it. Like coming from Anastasia, where it was literally like one choice, it felt like you had to use a lot of pressure for it. Like this is great. Like I really like it. Like it, again, you don't need a lot. Like less is definitely more. And you can kind of see, I'm going to go in, of course, and clean this up, but you can kind of see where you have that, where the strokes are defined by like the liquid side. And then also what you can do, or what I like to do, since I do like my tails to be darker, I'm going to take the actual pencil side and just go in, color it in, shade it in where I want it to be, shade it in where I want it to be a little darker. So that is it. Looks like that is it. And here we go, we ready. Didn't take long. Excuse my little eyebrows here, you guys. I'm trying to let them grow back out so that I can get them reshaped. I'm gonna see how long I can last with that, how long I can kind of cover them up. But back to this product, like, I really like it. Like, I like it because I feel like it goes on easy, it's effortless, and you get two for the price of one. It was only like $20 at Sephora, and I had points, so I got dollars off of my thing, so even better, like even better. So really do like this. I love the way it looks. I love how defined it looks. It looks natural, but it looks tinted. So this is without, this is with, and it's just, this is like a light touch up. So I really, really actually like this. So guys, go try this. Really like it. I'm glad that she actually recommended it to me, because I would not have chosen this any other time. Like, you see like all the other ones. So you see Anastasia, you see Kat Von D, you see Benefit, but you never really hear much about Urban Decay. At least I haven't. So I am very happy to have stumbled across this product. So I will link it down below for you guys. You guys can see it. Try it out, test it. Let me know if you guys like it. Drop me a comment down below. You guys can also find me on Rae Cosmetics, or you can email me at asiaraecosmetics@gmail.com. I'm going to go ahead and get my face together, finish getting myself ready, because can't go out with just one eyebrow. So guys, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and I will talk to you guys next time. All right, peace.